According to the CDC, Montana sees the third most deaths per capita as a result of carbon monoxide poisoning. Earlier this month, two Great Falls residents passed away after their RV heater malfunctioned. Great Falls Fire Rescue reminds residents of the hidden dangers in homes and vehicles this winter.
Numbers for these calls will go up in the wintertime due to the temperature. People try and heat in their houses with their stoves or things that they shouldn't be.
Montana and Virginia are the only states in the nation that do not have regulations requiring carbon monoxide detectors. Great Falls Fire Rescue recommends that you have one on every floor of your residence.
Wintertime, obviously, we get a lot of snow, and that snow will cover up the vent pipes on your roof. So you want to make sure that those are clear when we get high snow. If your power does go out, you don't want to be heating with your gas stove or anything that's not designed to be heated. Even if you have propane heaters, those aren't intended for indoor use.
Other potential sources for carbon monoxide include clothes dryers, water heaters, furnaces, ovens and stoves, fireplaces, grills, generators, and cars. It is important to remain vigilant when heating your home this winter, as heating systems account for 34% of carbon monoxide deaths.
Start to feel lightheaded, or you notice somebody else living in the house has really rosy red cheeks, those can be telltale signs of carbon monoxide.
The number of carbon monoxide deaths has declined over the last century. Over 400 Americans still die every year from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is an avoidable tragedy. Head out and grab a detector if you don't already have one. For more tips and practices to keep yourself safe, head on over to our website. Reporting in Great Falls, Eric Johnson, MTN News.